you see that addiction is a disease. Many people don't understand that. Addiction at the moment is a pandemic. It has been there with us for hundreds of years. Alcohol has been in use for over 10,000 years. Cannabis has been in use for 8,000 years now. These new drugs that have come in are only different. The problem of addiction has always been there, will always be here. The only thing is that we are tackling it in the wrong way. When the COVID pandemic was there, people tried all sorts of things. It's only when the medical community got together that it was solved. In the same way, addiction also needs to be understood that it is actually a brain disease. It is not a sin, it is not a crime, it is not because you just want to show off, but it's a crime. Everybody drinks. The whole world drinks. But very few become alcoholics. And those very few are a very large number. In the same way, young people are taking drugs. Everyone takes drugs. 25% of all children try some form of drug or the other. But not all of them become addicts. It's just unfortunate that some of them are susceptible to the disease and they become addicts. Now, if you say it's exploding, it is exploding because the population is exploding. There are very few treatment centers, and there is a strain on the rehab centers. But the only thing is that, well, how shall we say it? Rehab centers probably need to do much more. And we need more rehab centers all across the state, all across the region, everywhere you go. See, the unscrupulous people are opening rehab centers which are substandard, to say the least. And many people, because they're frustrated, because they don't know what to do with their loved ones, they put them there. Sometimes disastrous results, but most of the time they come back with good results. I'm not saying that all of them are bad. I'm not saying that all of them are not doing good work. Many of them, most of them are doing good work. There is something called the Mental Health Authority, which is established here also. Our suggestion to them is that all these centers need to be regulated. Across the country, across the region, they have to be regulated. People should understand that it is a medical problem, first of all, because it's a brain disease. The saying that once an addict, always an addict, holds true to a certain extent, because the disease of addiction doesn't go away. So many people misunderstand that. And the people who should be supervising the treatment is the medical community. Right now, the medical community has washed its hands of this problem, saying it's a social problem. We are starting a training program for doctors from the PHCs. 11 PHCs from Meghalaya, 5 PHCs from Arunachal are coming for us to be able to tell them how to handle the disease of addiction as community leaders, not only as people who are treating them firsthand, but how to lead the community in tackling this problem. Yeah, the numbers have increased and the staff are few. No? Trained people are less. So that's why we've also started a training program. We've got a 3-month part-time counseling program, and we've started a 3-month full-time addiction counseling program, where we can train people to be counselors who are actually trained in the field properly. Yeah.
Nara chugumak ansing baljokna skama mabanggi jasan.
Chugumak tanang?
Endako de koros kamu tungo maina chugumak kuni jainga. Plus F marka dong pako.
Plus F?
Salantio anchuni chaani rango. Beena namgani rangko de bangakon watchanga. Jean anchuni bimang. Gisik. Porayani. Nambate rakani. Mandapani. Aro gemuk konik nikata. Nang koban.
Ndak plianga chaunan machungja?
Oe chugumak nanganirang unigaman na atta merong kari to aro dutrang ko koros kaingon plus F marka donggo pa ko sa nibo maina uno iron aro vitamin rang ko nangani kriotna songi chane chaoba mukron chinioba aro chatho anioba mamang dengtangani ko ijawa
Dentang rekan ku ijo ramai nasa brans ka injok.
endiba mengsau blongen dengtang rekani donga anchingyan seng baljokaniyo Nambata chaani rengani chi, nambatte jangi thangani. Plus F marka dongpa chaani rangko, daaloni jakhalbo.